Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn the prefix pre. This powerful prefix means before or in advance. Three key words are preview, prepay, and prepare. These words help us talk about things happening before the main action. The prefix pre means before or in advance. It shows timing, something happens first. Preview means look before. Prepay means pay before. Prepare means get ready before. The prefix always attaches at the beginning of the base word. Here are common words with prefix pre. Preview, prepay, prepare, predict, precaution, preheat, preschool, pre-order, prevent, preliminary. Each word shows the before meaning. Notice how pre changes the original word meaning. Rule 1. Add pre directly to base word. Pre plus heat equals preheat. Rule 2. No spelling change in base word. Pre plus view equals preview. These simple rules work for most pre-words. Just attach and understand the before meaning. Preview breaks down to pre plus view. It means see before. Prepay breaks down to pre plus pay. It means pay before. Both words clearly show the before action. The prefix pre always works this way with base words. Practice time. Pre plus heat equals preheat. Heat oven before baking. Pre plus school equals preschool. Education before primary school. Practice makes perfect. Try making more pre-words using the before rule. Congratulations! You mastered prefix pre. Remember pre equals before. Keywords are preview, prepay, prepare, predict, prevent, preheat. Now you understand over 100 pre-words. Practice using them daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.